What's up guys, Damned One here coming at you with another video. Today's video is going to be a little different than the ones I usually put out. I recently acquired a 2011 Mac Mini in a trade. So I really like the Mac Minis, well the older ones, because you can upgrade them. This one I tried out. I think there's a mechanical drive in there, so I bought a WD Blue drive. I got the 500 gig just because that's what's in there now and it was on sale, so I decided to grab it. I already cloned the drive from the Mac Mini onto here beforehand, so we wouldn't waste time doing that. If you don't know how to do that, check on YouTube. There's a lot of good videos out there that show you how to do that, and it's very easy. So I did that. There's two 4 gig sticks in here for a total of 8 gigs of RAM. I bought two G-Skill 8 gig sticks for a max of 16 gigs, and they are optimized to work with Macs, so that's what I'm going to put in there. And so the things you'll need are your Mac Mini, obviously, your new hard drive or solid state drive, your new RAM sticks, and you're going to need 2 Torx screw bits, one 6 and one 8-bit, one 6 and one 8. For when you get in there. You're also going, if it's dirty and everything, you might need some compressed air and a brush of some sort. I kind of already did a little bit of cleaning in there, so I guess what I'm going to show you in this video is how you're going to change the stuff. So without any further ado, let's get in there. So what you're going to want to do is go to the back, and you'll see these two dots right here. You're going to push it to the left till you hear it click, and then you're going to pull it out. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is take your number 8 Torx screwdriver and remove these 4. Make sure you keep your screws from getting lost, so I'll put them right there. This is my first time actually ever opening up and working on a Mac, so bear with me. I've made PCs before, but I never worked on this. Now, when you're lifting up this wireless plate, be careful because it does have a connector to it. Okay, so before we do that, what we're going to want to do is switch to the 6 Torx screw bit and take out these 3 screws. This one here, you're going to want to be careful because it does have a thing there, so you're going to want to grab a prying tool and just lift up on it, and it should come straight out. And kind of dirty, so I'll clean that in a bit. Actually, we're going to want to take this screw off to remove the plastic plate. Okay, so now we remove the plastic plate. It should come out fairly easily. And just come straight out like that. Put that off to the side. Now we can take off the... Now you could take this off all the way if you want, the wireless kind of shroud, but I'm just going to keep that on because this is what we want to get at. So I'm pretty sure it's this one that you take off. So you're going to kind of want to pry that off. And then you could wiggle your hard drive out. There you go. And there's your hard drive. You want to take these 2 screws off too. At around here's where you would take off the plastic backing, but this is a mechanical drive. That backing's just to protect the circuit board part of the mechanical drive. So then you want to take your new hard drive. Like I said, I already cloned my drive on there, so let's connect the SATA cable connector to our drive. And now The two screws that you took off the drive, you want to put back in on this side, because like I said, there's two little notches back there that this is going to go into. Now let's put the drive back in, and then the connector that you put up, just push it back in. Now we should be good. You just successfully installed your SSD. Now we're gonna do the RAM. So there's two tabs right here. These ones you just want to move to the side and it pops up. Remove your RAM. Do the same thing to the bottom. Pull up. Remove your RAM. Those to the side. Now let's take our new sticks. Here's your first one. Now what you want to do is come in at a 45-degree angle and have the notches up, push it down, and then push it back down. Boom, there's your first one. Now your second one. 45-degree angle, match the notches up, push. What? Okay, there it is. Hopefully that worked. I didn't mess it up, so there you go. Now you just got to put the thing back on. I'm going to be doing a quick side-by-side comparison of the boot time for the new SSD that I just put in and the old hard drive that was in there that I recorded beforehand. So wow, that was pretty fast compared to the other one. So now just to check to see everything is good, you want to log in. As you can see, it says come to storage, 500 gig solid state SATA drive. Boom, it worked. Memory, 2 memory stick slots, 8 gigs each, 16 gigs installed. Booyah! Welcome back, guys. Sorry about that. The battery in my camera died. I guess it's about time I start thinking about alternate ways to power it, but there you have it. That's the way you upgrade your 2011 Mac Mini with a new SSD drive and new RAM. As I said before, this is my first time doing this to a Mac, so I'm not really sure what to look for in regards to speed for the upgrades. As you saw in the boot test, it's already loads faster. So I hope this video helped you with your future Mac Mini upgrades, and subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and as always, I will see you on the flip side. Deuces.